Okay, so maybe you can switch off in the meantime your microphone.
Okay, I switch it off.
And I will start now. So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen from Europe, and also good evening to the people who are joining from Asia, and good morning to those people who are joining from America and South America. I would like to welcome you to this virtual conference. The topic is sharing experiences about entrepreneurship, and it is co-organized by the Foodstar project and by the Food Lab project, and supported by the Seki Food Association with administration and sharing this tool. The agenda of today is I will shortly introduce you to the system, how you can actively participate. Then I will give a short introduction to the Foodstar project, and then Benoit will introduce the Food Lab project, and then we will have different presentations from young business entrepreneurs. All of you can ask questions. We would prefer that everybody can put his questions in the system during the presentation, and at the end there will be a discussion, so you can also raise your hands. I will show you in a few minutes how you can do that. You can raise your hand, and then we can open your microphone, and you can also talk to the audience. After that, there will also be a small evaluation by a follow-up email. About the system, the interface, what you see on the screen may be different depending on the operating system, but the main picture should look like this. So you will have several buttons on your control panel. There is a box where you can post your question. Then there is also an arrow with which you can minimize and your control panel, and also maximize again. Maybe it's somewhere hidden behind another window. You can also increase the screen to the full screen with this icon. This is the button I mentioned already, where you can raise your hand, and then the administrator will be notified and can open your microphone. You can also mute and unmute your microphone by yourself by clicking this button. During the presentation, all microphones will be muted, and I also would like to inform you that the session will be recorded, so other people who arrive later can also review this session and conference. If you have any questions, you can already put your questions into the chat box, or you can also raise your hand and we will open your microphone. So until now, nobody raised your hands, and I also do not see any questions.